Hello and welcome. So let's look at this example. We want to graph this parabola. Okay, so any parabola that it's y equals x squared and some other stuff is a vertical parabola. Okay, so if we have y equals ax squared plus bx plus c, this is a vertical parabola. Alright, if a is positive, then its graph is going to look like this. If a is negative, its graph is going to be upside down. Okay? The best way to graph it is to figure out the vertex. So the vertex you have, the h is the negative b over 2a, and then the k you find by plugging in the h into your function. Okay, so you're going to plug in h for x to figure out the y value. And then you make a table of value, pick points, and use symmetry to figure out the graph. Okay, so we're going to do that. So we're going to find the vertex. Right, so we have a is negative 1, b is 6, and c is negative 8. All right, so h is going to be negative 6. 2 times negative 1. Negative 6 over negative 3 gives me positive 2. Right? Now take that and plug it into the equation to find the k value. So we have negative 2 squared plus 6 times 2 minus 8. Alright, and we have, oops, I think I messed up. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Something did not look correct there. So negative 6 over negative 2 is positive 3. So we're going to plug 3 in there. Negative 3 squared plus 6 times 3 minus 8. Negative 9 plus 18 minus 8. 9 minus 8 gives me 1. Alright, so the vertex is at 3 and 1. Good, we're going to make a table of values. Alright, so we're going to plug in the vertex in the middle. So x is 3, y is 1. We're going to pick two values that are bigger, 4 and 5, and two that are smaller, 2 and 1. Okay? Now the best thing to do when you're evaluating is to rewrite this in vertex form. So vertex form is ax minus h squared plus k. Right? So our a is negative 1, so this is negative x minus 3 squared plus 1. The 3 and the 1 are the vertex, the h and k values. Okay? So let's plug in 4. So if we plug in 4, we get negative 4 minus 3 is 1 squared plus 1. Negative 1 plus 1 gives me 0. Alright? By symmetry, if I go 1 this way and 1 this way, those should have the same y value, so this is also 0. Now plug in 5 into here. We get negative 5 minus 2 is 2 squared plus 1. 4 negative. Negative 4 plus 1 gives me negative 3. And this is also negative 3. Okay? Alright, so we're ready to graph. Alright, so we're going to draw the axes. Alright, put some tick marks here. 5, negative 5, 5. Negative 5. Alright? So we have our vertexes at 3 and 1. Then we have points 4, 0 and 2, 0. And 5, negative 3. And 1, negative 3. Alright? And then we draw the parabola. Bob's your uncle. There we go. That's it.